Our most requested how-to subject is giving a cat a pill. Let's take a look at Dr. Pol teaching us how to give a cat a pill.
I'm Dr. Pol and this is Tater. And Tater is a hunter that catches mice, and now Tater needs another worm pill. So I'm going to show you, I hope he will help me, how to pill a cat. The best way is hold him against you, and then, yes, I have big hands, open his mouth this way, open his mouth, drop the pill in there, go, and blow in their face. It scares them and they swallow and the pill goes all the way down. If you have problems, you can use a little pill pusher like this that are freely available all over the place. But because Tater is such a very nice cat, you can do it with bare hands and have no blood. Cats like this, you don't see very many around. And now, tune in for the next time, How To with Dr. Pol.
Giving a cat a pill is incredibly challenging. Even I have trouble, and I've done it a number of times over the course of years.
And Charles, and sometimes I have trouble because many cats are just not able to be pilled. And what we have is actually a small instrument that's called, a small animal pill gun. And that sometimes works. But there are still some cats that will just bite, scream, and holler.
That's it for this week's Dr. Pol's How To. Keep checking YouTube for all new how-tos coming to you real soon.